Picture this. You check into a beautiful hotel after a long travel day. The lobby is polished, the staff is friendly, your room looks spotless. So you unzip your suitcase, place your medication, passport, wallet, and electronics around the room, and finally relax. Then the room phone rings. A calm voice says, "This is the front desk. We had a problem processing your card. Could you read the number back to me?" You do. But the call never came from the front desk. The biggest hotel security mistakes often happen before you have unpacked. A door that does not latch, an unlocked connecting room, a room number exposed on a key packet, a fake Wi-Fi network, a smoke alarm you never checked. Hotels rarely walk you through these vulnerabilities. They hand you a key, point toward the elevator, and assume everything works. Today, that changes. I'm Cecilia O'Connor, and this is Better Journeys. Here is a 12-point hotel security sweep you can complete before one shirt leaves your suitcase. Stay through number 1, because that final check could matter when the hallway is dark, the elevators are unavailable, and you have seconds to choose a direction. Number 12. Do not assume the room is empty. Leave your suitcase near the entrance and perform a calm visual sweep before closing the door. Check the bathroom, closet, balcony area, behind the curtains, and the space around the bed. Look for open windows, luggage left by another guest, maintenance tools, or electronics that seem out of place. If anything feels wrong, do not investigate it closely. Step into the hallway and contact the front desk. Your fix is simple. Room first, luggage second, unpacking last. The U.S. State Department's lodging safety checklist specifically advises checking behind curtains, under the bed, around the room, and for unusual electronics when you first arrive. Number 11. The main door may close without actually latching. A hotel door can look shut and still fail to catch. Open it. Let it close naturally. Then pull gently from inside without turning the handle. Engage the deadbolt and security latch, and confirm that each holds. Check once from the hallway too. The door should not open after it appears to close. If it drags, rebounds, or will not lock correctly, request another room. Do not accept a promise that maintenance will come later while your belongings remain inside. A portable alarm can add warning, but it cannot repair a defective lock. Your fix is to test every lock before you unpack. Number 10. The connecting door, window, or balcony may be unsecured. Many travelers test the entrance and forget every other access point. If the room has a connecting door, confirm it is locked from your side. Then test every window and balcony door. Pull each one after locking it. If a connecting door has a damaged lock or a balcony door cannot be secured, request another room. Do not place a chair against it and hope for the best. Your fix is to treat every door and window as an entrance until you personally confirm otherwise. Official lodging guidance recommends confirming that every door and window locks properly and that curtains provide full privacy. Number 9. Your key packet can reveal exactly where you are staying. Hotels often place the key card inside a sleeve printed with the room number. The moment you enter, separate them. Store the card in one secure pocket and keep the room number somewhere else, such as a note on your phone. Do not leave the numbered packet on a restaurant table, beside the pool, or visible inside an open purse. If the card disappears, report it immediately and ask the front desk to deactivate it before issuing a replacement. Your fix is separation. Key in one place, room number in another. The State Department also recommends carrying your room key separately from any packet displaying the room number. Number 8. A uniform or confident voice does not prove someone belongs at your door. A knock comes 30 minutes after check-in. Maintenance, but you requested nothing. Keep the deadbolt engaged, use the peephole if there is one, then call the front desk yourself and ask whether an employee was sent. Use the in-room phone, the hotel's official app, or the number on your confirmed reservation. Do not call a number the visitor gives you through the door. If the desk cannot verify the visit, do not open. Meet unfamiliar visitors in the public lobby rather than your room. Your fix is verify first, open second. Official guidance similarly recommends meeting unfamiliar visitors in the public lobby and contacting the front desk about suspicious activity. Number 7. The front desk may not be the front desk. This scam works by creating urgency. The caller may claim your payment failed, the system crashed, or your card must be confirmed immediately. Never read a card number, bank detail, password, or verification code to an unexpected caller. Caller identification is not proof. Hang up, then contact the desk yourself using a known method. If there is a real billing problem, resolve it in person. No legitimate issue becomes safer because someone pressures you to handle it immediately over the phone. Your fix is the hang-up rule. Unexpected request for money or account information? End the call and verify independently. The Federal Trade Commission advises hanging up on unexpected calls involving your accounts and contacting the real organization yourself through its official app, website, statement, or known phone number. We are halfway through. Which of these checks do you already perform? Put the number in the comments, and subscribe to Better Journeys for practical airport, airline, hotel, and packing advice for travelers over 50. Number 6. The first Wi-Fi name you see may not be the network you should join. Your phone may show Hotel Guest Free, and Hotel Guest 5G. Before connecting, ask the front desk for the exact network name and login process. Modern encrypted websites make public Wi-Fi safer than it once was, but still look for the lock symbol and HTTPS before entering sensitive information. Turn on two-factor authentication for important accounts. For highly sensitive activity, consider using your cellular connection. At checkout, tell your device to forget the network so it does not automatically reconnect later. Your fix is verify, protect, and forget. The FTC says most modern websites encrypt information, but travelers should still check for the lock symbol or HTTPS, protect accounts with strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Number 5. The USB port beside the bed is not your safest charging option. Hotel alarm clocks, televisions, and lamps sometimes include USB ports. A simple, safer routine is to use the charging equipment you brought and plug your own wall adapter into a normal outlet. Do not connect unknown USB drives. Do not approve access to contacts, photos, or files merely because a television asks to pair with your phone. If you cast to a smart television or sign into a streaming service, log out and remove your device before checkout. Your fix is straightforward. Your cable, your charger, your account removed when you leave. The Canadian Centre for Cybersecurity advises travelers to use charging equipment they brought themselves and avoid unknown USB devices or unfamiliar connections. Number 4. Valuables left in plain sight create an unnecessary opportunity. A passport on the desk, cash beside the bed, a wallet near the coffee machine. Medications spread across the bathroom counter. Keep irreplaceable items organized and out of view. Use the room safe if you are comfortable with it, or secure items inside locked luggage. Separate your backup card from your main wallet. Before leaving the room, perform a 15-second check. Passport. Wallet, phone, medication, room key. Your fix is to give every important item one secure home. State Department travel guidance warns against leaving passports, electronics, cash, and other valuables unattended or unsecured in hotel rooms. Number 3. The room phone may not work when you need it. You may not discover a dead phone until you need the front desk, security, or medical help. Pick up the receiver and call the desk shortly after arrival. Confirm how to reach emergency services from the room. Save the hotel's official front desk number and local emergency number in your mobile phone as a backup. Also save the hotel's full name and street address. Your fix takes less than 1 minute. Test the phone. Save the numbers. Know the address. Checking that the room phone works is also included in the State Department's official arrival checklist. Number 2. A missing or damaged alarm is not a decorative issue. Look up. Can you see a smoke alarm? Is there a carbon monoxide detector where the property provides one? Does anything appear covered, removed, or damaged? Never disable an alarm. Call the front desk if something seems wrong. If you have hearing loss, ask whether the hotel has an accessible room with visual or vibrating alarm features. If a safety device appears missing or defective, request another room rather than assuming it will be repaired while you sleep. Your fix is to inspect the ceiling before you inspect the minibar. Official travel guidance recommends checking for carbon monoxide detectors, fire alarms, and available fire safety equipment. The U.S. Fire Administration also recommends specialized visual or vibrating alarm systems for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Number 1. You do not know how to leave without the elevator. Nearly everyone postpones this until an alarm begins. Find the evacuation map on the back of the door. Locate the 2 nearest stair exits, not only the closest one. Walk to both if your mobility allows. Count the number of doors between your room and each exit. That gives you a physical reference if visibility is poor. If you may need assistance during an emergency, ask the front desk about the evacuation procedure when you arrive. Keep your room key, shoes, phone, and glasses together beside the bed. Your fix is not memorizing a complicated map. It is knowing 2 directions before you need either one. The U.S. Fire Administration recommends locating the 2 nearest exits, counting the doors between your room and each exit, and identifying the fire alarms on your floor. Now put the sweep together, check the room, test the main door, lock the connecting door, windows, and balcony, separate the key from the numbered packet, verify visitors, reject surprise payment calls, confirm the Wi-Fi, use your own charger, secure valuables, test the phone, find the alarms, walk the exit route. 12 checks, about 5 minutes. They simply replace assumption with confirmation. I'm Cecilia O'Connor, and this is Better Journeys, where small details can protect an entire vacation. Before your next stay, save this checklist or write the 12 numbers in your phone. And tell me in the comments, what is the first thing you check when you enter a hotel room? Subscribe for more practical hotel tips, airline rules, travel savings, packing strategies, and smarter journeys after 50. Safe travels, and I will see you in the next video.